Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off location on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off location on Google Chrome, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Next, click on settings and then click on privacy and security. Now scroll down. Now click on site settings. Now again scroll down. Click on location. Look, the default behavior is site can ask for your location. You can select don't allow site to see your location. Now click here and select don't allow site to see your location. Now your location is turned off on Google Chrome. Now close Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.